Abeg, Nigeria government, the owner of GTB Bank and EFCC and others people, please, please and please, we just take God beg you. You people no go see problem. You no go see protest. We go pass your own power. You no go see youth problem. Abeg, free Verydarkman. Abeg, na good guy. I know Nigeria no want good thing. But the guy is just doing nothing. Now, because of the program, we don't do fire everybody now. That is why Nigeria the best. We understand. And we too also do the same. But our own way is so different because we know that the Nigeria cannot work. We believe it cannot work. So when you are still getting mind to go and sit down in the Aso Rock, it's just like wasting of time. And funny thing is, Nigeria that we people were expecting that maybe we better. You know, it's unfortunately those people that is coming there to rule us, they are not even well okay. So tell me how the country will be well now. So I beg, Mona leave Verydarkman. Leave Verydarkman alone. Leave Verydarkman. Na beg with the beg. We know say na good person. Yes. Na good kill fella Nicola Kokuti. Na good kill him mama. Na good don't kill many people in this Nigeria. Yes, when you are bad, you will sustain forever. You will live long. I don't know why wicked people just live longer and good people just die young. I don't know. But this time around, the reason why I speak the light English is because everyone will listen to me and everyone will hear this. And fortunately, the country together, we understand what I'm saying. Both Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. Leave Verydarkman. Leave Verydarkman. Nothing you do. Nothing you do. Not just because of say, as they pain you. That's why they sweet them. Verydarkman. Na strong guy. I bet Mona no give an injection, we go take pine yo. Mona no give an injection, we go take pine because we know see Nigeria. We know. Leave on. FECC. And you people know that very soon, Verydarkman can become a something in this country. We know. Wicked word. Leave Verydarkman EFCC. We beg you. A GTV Bank, please release Verydarkman before it's too late. Don't let youth come out to be destroying a lot of things about you. Say about Ronu Jinle Dada. Because come on delay to ma dabi answers. Come on delay to ma waguta. Junior law because to buy Verydarkman back anything can happen. Anything can happen. Let youth talk. Let you talk. You say there is freedom of speech. Let everybody talk. You know, you cannot be beating us and expecting us to silence. The country get as it be. We all know. But as they go, Yoruba nation, let me fail. Come pay Nigeria down. Come pieces in Nigeria down. Jala anybody. But when I'm still spending Naira, it's like we are still in the attack on Nigeria. Not full body. But not full body o mi gbe full body wọ Nigeria o n ṣe tèmi nínú Yorùbá ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí ọmọ alágbo la wa ọmọ alágbo tá fi kọ lè kọ lóru tá mọ àgbo àwa kì í ṣe ọmọ tó ń lo paracetamol ó yé yín ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ lógún o. So abeg leave Verydarkman. Na good guy, na better person. Na because of say he want truth and he want the country to be better. You don't know that the country is already expired. It's expired already. They just combine us together that we must live together, and to live together is not by force. Let everybody separate. And the second one, it's just funny to me that you never release in Americano since. For what? This country. Now, wow. Now they try you. Now they try. I Jim the power for you. Now they try you. I mean, when I live Verydarkman, all these things, Okay, youth ma padà gbàjọba. Youth, àwa ọ̀dọ́ la ma padà gbàjọba. Ó ti yé yín. Ìjọba kò ní sí fẹ́yìn bàbá àgbàlagbà yẹn mọ́ tó bá yá because you don't know why you are there. Why you are there gone is not even. Kí ni mo nǹkan tí mo lè sọ? Although you just tire everybody, but nothing we can do now. And now, because you tell us that we are leader of tomorrow. As Verydarkman is in your custody now, is a leader of tomorrow. The person that if you people have opportunity to find him, you go do him. Okay, you to not be leader of tomorrow. See, the thing as this country they go, if we don't be careful, we youth. All these people don't want to make we reach anywhere. I believe God, even they pray for us, say make we die young. As they do like that, they go they pray, say make we. Why person go get money finish? hustle money, EFCC no bless am, but after you hustle money, you make am for life. EFCC go call your house, say wetin you dey do for living. See the nonsense country. I swear, I tire for this matter.